In the vast, colorful world of the produce aisle, some choices seem simple. But what if one of the most common decisions you make holds a surprising secret to better health? We're talking about cabbage, specifically red cabbage versus green cabbage. Which one is actually better for you? They look similar, they often taste similar, and they sit right next to each other in the store, practically interchangeable. But are they? The truth is, the vibrant color difference between these two humble vegetables is just the tip of the iceberg. One of them is a nutritional powerhouse, packing up to 10 times more of a crucial vitamin and a unique class of antioxidants that the other almost completely lacks. These aren't minor differences. They're significant enough to impact everything from your heart health to your immune system. Today on Consumer's Choice Top 5, we're diving deep into one of the most overlooked comparisons in the grocery store. We're going beyond the surface to bring you a definitive guide on red versus green cabbage. Which one should you be eating? We'll break down the precise nutritional data, revealing the shocking disparities in key vitamins and minerals. We'll uncover the science behind their colors and what it means for their antioxidant power, exploring powerful compounds called anthocyanins that are linked to fighting inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. We'll also explore the subtle but important differences in taste and texture, and how those qualities make each one a star in different dishes, from crunchy, vibrant slaws to savory, slow-cooked braises. We'll even show you which one holds up better in your fridge and how to store them to maximize freshness and value, ensuring you get the most out of every head of cabbage you buy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cabbage to reach for based on your personal health goals, your budget, and even the meals you plan to cook this week. This is the ultimate guide to help you make a smarter, healthier, and more informed choice every time you shop. Ready to find out which cabbage reigns supreme? Before we get into our first point, do us a quick favor and hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the products you use every day. And if you know someone trying to eat healthier, share this video with them. It might just change the way they build their next salad. Now, let's get started. At first glance, red and green cabbage seem almost identical in their crisp, layered structure. They're both members of the same botanical family, sharing a common ancestry. But their vibrant color difference isn't just a cosmetic quirk, it's a clue to their unique chemical compositions, telling a powerful story about their journey from the farm to your plate. This distinction goes far beyond appearance, influencing everything from their nutritional value to how they transform in your kitchen. Let's peel back the layers and explore what truly sets these two cruciferous cousins apart. First, let's look at the familiar green cabbage. Its signature pale green to light yellow hue comes from chlorophyll, the very same pigment that gives spinach, kale, and other leafy greens their color. Chlorophyll is the engine of photosynthesis, the remarkable process where plants convert sunlight into energy. This makes green cabbage a classic, dependable vegetable, with a mild, slightly peppery taste that makes it incredibly versatile. It's a staple for a reason, commonly found in everything from fresh, crunchy salads to savory cooked dishes. Now, for its stunning counterpart, red cabbage. Its magnificent deep purple or reddish color isn't from chlorophyll, but from a class of pigments called anthocyanins. These are powerful flavonoid compounds that act as a natural sunscreen for the plant, protecting it from UV damage. They are also potent antioxidants, which we'll discuss more in our nutrition section. This different chemical makeup gives red cabbage a slightly earthier, more robust flavor profile compared to its green relative. Interestingly, these anthocyanins are also natural pH indicators. This means the color of red cabbage can change dramatically depending on the acidity of its environment. When you cook it, it might turn an unappealing blue or purple-gray color if the cooking liquid is alkaline. But add a splash of acid, like lemon juice or vinegar, and it will transform into a brilliant, vibrant magenta or reddish pink. This chemical reactivity is a chef's secret for creating visually stunning dishes. So, that striking color difference isn't just visual. It's a direct result of their distinct pigment chemistry. This fundamental variation is the key that unlocks differences in their nutrition, their behavior during cooking, and ultimately, their unique impact on our health. Let's talk flavor, because taste matters. Green cabbage taste. Mild and crisp, slightly sweet when cooked. Very versatile. Red cabbage taste. Peppery and earthy, slightly tougher texture. Holds its crunch well. If you want something neutral and flexible, green cabbage wins. If you want bold color and crunch, red cabbage stands out. This is where red cabbage really shines. Green cabbage nutrition, low in calories, high in fiber, rich in vitamin C and vitamin K. Red cabbage nutrition, all the benefits of green cabbage. Plus, significantly more antioxidants. Higher levels of vitamin A and polyphenols. Red cabbage contains up to 10 times more antioxidants than green cabbage, thanks to those anthocyanins. Green cabbage benefits. Supports digestion, helps gut health, great for weight management. Red cabbage benefits. Supports heart health, helps fight inflammation, may support brain and immune health. Here's a lesser-known fact. Antioxidants in red cabbage may help protect cells from oxidative stress, something green cabbage simply can't match at the same level. Now let's talk about how these cabbages perform in the kitchen. Best uses for green cabbage: coleslaw stir-fries, soups and stews, stuffed cabbage. Best uses for red cabbage: salads, pickling, roasting toppings for tacos and bowls. Green cabbage softens beautifully when cooked. Red cabbage holds its shape and color, perfect for visual impact. Let's keep it practical. Green cabbage is usually cheaper. Red cabbage may cost slightly more. Both store well in the fridge. Red cabbage lasts longer once cut. If budget matters, green cabbage is a win. If nutrition density matters, red cabbage pulls ahead. Choose green cabbage if you want. Mild flavor, versatile cooking, budget-friendly meals, easy digestion. Choose red cabbage if you want. More antioxidants, extra health benefits, crunchy texture, colorful, nutrient-rich meals. The smartest move? Eat both. Rotate them based on your meals and health goals. So, after our deep dive into the world of cabbage, what's the final verdict in the battle of red versus green? As we've discovered, the best choice truly depends on your personal goals. If you're seeking a nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants to fight inflammation and boost your health, red cabbage, with its vibrant anthocyanins, is your clear winner. Its bold, peppery flavor and robust crunch make it a star in salads and slaws. However, if you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly staple that can adapt to countless recipes, the milder, sweeter green cabbage is an undeniable kitchen hero. It shines in everything from comforting soups and savory stir-fries to classic sauerkraut, offering a fantastic source of vitamin K and fiber. Ultimately, you don't have to choose just one. The smartest strategy is to rotate both in your diet. By incorporating both red and green cabbage, you get the full spectrum of flavors, textures, and a more diverse range of nutrients, ensuring your body reaps all the amazing benefits these cruciferous vegetables have to offer. If this video helped you navigate the colorful world of cabbage and make a more informed choice at the grocery store, we'd be so grateful if you'd give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel reach more people. And for more smart, in-depth food comparisons and consumer guides, make sure you subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, we want to hear from you. The conversation continues in the comments below. Are you firmly on Team Red Cabbage or a lifelong fan of Team Green Cabbage? Or perhaps, like us, you believe in the power of both. Let us know your favorite, and more importantly, share your go-to cabbage recipe. Are you a master of the perfect slaw, a pickling pro, or do you have a secret for the best roasted cabbage wedges? Your tips could inspire someone else's dinner tonight. And if you know someone who's trying to eat healthier or is just stuck in a vegetable rut, share this video with them. It might be just the inspiration they need. Thank you for joining us, and remember, smarter, healthier choices start right here.